Hi there, students. Esurient, an adjective. Esuriently, the adverb. And esurience, the noun of the quality, uncountable. Okay, if you are esurient, this is a word meaning very hungry, greedy. So he ate esuriently, very greedily. I think nowadays, if you use this word esurient to talk about somebody eating, you're joking. Yeah, it's a bit of a joke. Yeah, his esurient appetite means that whenever he comes to visit, there's nothing left in the fridge. He always eats me out of house and home. So somebody who's esurient, they're greedy, they're hungry, they're ravenous. Yeah. But you can also use this word metaphorically. For example, esurient for power. Yeah, esurient for wealth. People's esurient lust for power. Yeah, has got the idea of greed, that it's more than they want. Yeah, more than it is good for them. Our esurient consumer society is it means the more you consume, the better things are. But by using this word esurient, I'm criticizing. I'm saying we're being greedy. We're taking more than we want. So esurient, gluttonous, greedy, voracious, ravenous. Okay, so yes, there was a stall selling all sorts of delicious things for esurient workers who had left their desks at lunchtime. Okay, so you can use it to mean really, really hungry as a bit of a joke, but use it metaphorically. It's a great word to use talking about excessive desire for something. Yeah, his esurient lust for sex, for example. Yeah, it was just excessive. Yeah, political parties in their esurient search for power, the esurient search for wealth. Okay, so if you call somebody esurient, something esurient, you're saying that they're being greedy, they're very, very hungry for it. But I think esurient, it's criticizing, it's saying people are going over the top. Yeah, they place too much emphasis on it. They're famished, they're starved for something, and therefore rapacious, wolf-like. Yeah, ravenous. Yeah, so his esurient desire to be number one in all circumstances. Okay, yeah, he's greedy for power. His esurient lust for power. This is a great word to use in one of your essays. Now, be careful with this word. This word's perhaps a little bit old-fashioned. And as to formality, I'm going to give it, I think, a 7, maybe 7.5 in formality. Use it. Don't use it informally. No way. A semi-formal conversation, you could use it as a joke, but you might find native speakers saying, and what does that mean? Yeah, use it in one of your exam essays. It's a wonderful word to use in an essay. Excessive greed for something. Yeah, his esurient desire to be the boss. Yeah, he will go too far. I think if you have an esurient desire to do something, you do things that really just go too far. Okay, as to origin, okay, it comes from Latin. You've got esurient or esuriens, hungering, from esurio, to be hungry, to hunger for something. This originally comes from edo, to eat, yeah, which from Proto-Indo-European hedti, to eat. Okay, so esurient. Yeah, a greedy knowledge for desire, for something, to go too far. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Esurient, Esurience, Esuriently.